Hi, good morning, children. Welcome to EVS session. Unit 8 All Important Water. Here, page number 133. People, animals, plants will die. If no water they can spy. It to us is more precious than gold. Let us not waste it and do as we are told. The water is very precious, very essential and very important because a single drop water is very important because people, animals, plants without waters they no survive our life. So because and people, animals, plants will die, the water is not there. So if no water we can not live on the earth. So the water is more precious than gold. So let us not waste a single drop of water it and do as we are told. From morning to night we need water for doing a different activities. So when you get up we need water for washing the face or drinking or bathing. Next, after at school we also need it at a washroom, at washing our hands before lunch. Yes or no? Next, at home we need for different type of activities: drinking, cooking, washing utensils, washing the clothes and planting the trees. Even also washing the pets, mopping. So like that we are have a different type of activities we are doing with water only. From morning to night we need water. So water is very important. The essential it very water. So we also need it to out of a fire. Yes, when in a forest also, whenever the in forest the heat vapor, then forest also get forest will in fire. So then they will want water for put off the fire. So we need a water. So from morning to night we need water. When we get up we need water. At school we need water. At home we need water. So water is very important. They shown in the picture 133. Some the pictures they are giving morning what purpose we need water, at school what purpose we need water, at home different type of activities we are doing at home with water only. So very important they shown in the picture. So why animals need water? Animals need water to survival life, because animal water to drink and bath. Likewise, how we are depend upon the plant, human beings, how we depend upon the water. Likewise, the animals also need water to drink and bath. They shown in the picture. Yes or no? Even also birds also need water. They shown on the picture 134. So how plants need water? Plants need water to live. Plants need water to live because to grown up. Yes or no? Likewise, animals, plants and human beings need water. So have you ever thought that from where does the water we use come and be honest? Yes, from water how we get water is natural. Yes or no? That is God given gift, the water. So we can't waste it a single drop also. So water in nature is always moving. Yes, there is not always moving, rising up from the clouds and then coming down again as a rain. So we get water from rain. So it collect in rivers, lakes, tanks and wells. It comes to houses through pipes. We get water at home by turning on a tap. This is a clean water. So water in nature is always moving, rising up to from clouds and then coming down again as a rain. We get water from rain. It collects in rivers, lakes, tanks and wells. It comes to house through pipes. We get water at home by turning on a tap. This is a clean water. So if water is clean we can drink it, otherwise we have to boil it. Now we use water filter. So the remember part, we must only drink clean water. If we drink dirty water we will get sick. Just read out the 134 page number. Here the we get water from a rain. It collect in river, lakes, tanks and well. It come to house through pipes. We get water at home by turning on a tap. This is a clean water. If water is clean we can drink it, otherwise we have to boil it, and after we have to drink. Now we use water filter. Here remember, we must only drink clean water. If we drink dirty water, we will get sick. Okay, please go through the 134 page number. Bye children.